Hi, so this is a quick video just to show the update and the finished product. This is a 1950s Mark 1 Land Rover Jaeger dashboard clock. Originally this was the electromechanical movement that powered the clock. The customer had some concerns about the permanent connection of this for the wiring in the Land Rover. He wasn't too confident with it. So he wanted it changing to quartz, which we've now done. These are the original hands. They've been retouched and they've also been coated with a Swiss luminous coating. This black ring is something that we've printed on the 3D printer just to give a bit of extra height between the dial and the glass to stop the hands rubbing. This is the original case. Again, we've 3D printed this holder inside here, which is the correct size for the movement to sit into. So assembly is simple. Drop the movement in there, which is nice and snug. Then the original black bezel goes on. Then the glass, which we'll be having another clean before we put it on properly. And then finally the brass outer bezel, which basically clips on there and then turns. A little bit awkward one-handed. That goes on there and then turns. And that's that. 1950s Jaeger dashboard clock, converted to quartz, given a little bit of a clean-up, ready to be returned to the customer. If you've got anything similar you want to be worked on, then please contact me at clocksupcycled.co.uk. Love to hear from you. Thank you.